Hello students, welcome back. Now we will take our exercise 8.2 where we will discuss the percentage, profit loss and the taxes and discounts. So coming to the question number 1. A man got 10% increase in his salary if his new salary is rupees 1,54,000. Find his original salary. So let the original salary is equals to rupees 100. So now increase in salary, this is given as 10%. So now increased salary, this will be equals to 100 plus 10, so this is 110 rupees. So now we will use the unitary method. So when rupees 110 is increased salary, then original salary is equals to rupees 100. So when this is rupees 1, then original salary will be equals to 100 divided by 101. So when it is 1,54,000, so the original salary will be 100 into 1,54,000 divided by 110. So this 0 cancels, 11 1 ja, then 4. So this is now 1,40,000. So this is 1,40,000. So we got the original salary. The original salary was rupees 1,40,000. So come to the question number 2. On Sunday, 845 people went to the zoo. On Monday, only 169 people went. What is the percentage decrease in the people visiting the zoo on Monday? So number of people visited zoo on Sunday. So on Sunday the number of people is 845. So again number of people visited zoo on Monday. So on Monday now it is 169 only, 169. So decrease in number of people. So decrease in number of people will be 845 minus 169. So 845 minus 169. So this is now 676 persons. Now we'll find out the percentage decrease. So percentage decrease, this will be equals to now decrease divided by original number into 100. So decrease is now 676 divided by original is 845 into 100. So now we can simplify it. So this will be now 5 to 20, 5 1 ja 5, then 3, 169. So this will be now 4 times. So 4 into 20, this is 80%. So decrease, percentage decrease in people, percentage decrease in people visiting zoo on Monday. So this is equals to now 80%. So now coming to the question number 3. A shopkeeper buys 80 articles for rupees 2400 and sells them for a profit of 1600. 16%. Find the selling price of one article. So the cost price of 80 articles. So cost price of 80 articles is already given. This is rupees 2400. So first of all, we'll find the selling price. So profit on 80 articles. So this will be, now profit is given 16%. So this will be the 16% of rupees 2400. So this is 16 by 100 into 2400. 0 0 0 0 cancelled. So this will be now rupees 384. So selling price, now we'll find out the selling price. Selling price will be CP plus profit. So CP में अभी हम क्या करेंगे, प्रॉफिट को ऐड करेंगे. दिस इज द कॉस्ट प्राइस एंड दिस इज द प्रॉफिट. सो दिस इज नाउ 2400 प्लस 384. सो दिस विल बी नाउ 2784 rupees. Now selling price of 80 articles. This will be 2784 divided by 80. So now we can solve this. So this is equals to now 34.80. So selling price of one article, this is equals to rupees 34.80. So now coming to the question number 5th. A BCR and a TV was bought for rupees 8000 each. The shopkeeper made a loss 4% on the BCR and a profit 8% on TV. Find the gain or loss percent on the whole transaction. So let the CP of VCR is equals to rupees 100. And it is given that shopkeeper made 4% loss or 4% on BCR. So loss on BCR, this is equals to now 4%. So selling price of VCR, it will be now 100 minus 4. So this will be rupees 96. Now, so when CP is rupees 100, then SP of BCR is equals to rupees 96. So when the CP is 1, then SP will be 96 by 100. So similarly, when CP is rupees 8000, so it will be now 96 into 8000 divided by 100. So 0 0 0 0 cancelled. So this is now 0 and so this is now rupees 7680. Similarly, we will find out the selling price for the TV. So similarly, we will find out for the TV. So let the CP of TV is equals to rupees 100. Profit is already given to us. Profit is equals to now 8%. So SP of TV will be equals to 100 plus 8. So this will be rupees 108. So we'll find out the selling price. So SP of TV will be equals to 108 divided by 100 into 8000. So 0 0 0 0 cancelled. So this is now rupees 8640. Now we'll find out the total CP of TV and VCR. So this is 2 into 8000 because 8000 एक का है, अभी दोनों का कितना हो जाएगा? This will be equals to rupees 16000. Similarly, we will find out the total SP of TV and VCR. So this will be equals to now this is 7680 plus 8640. Now we'll add up this, so it will be now 0 and 4 plus 8 12, carry 1, 6 1 7, 7 and 6 13, 3 carry 1, 8 8 16. So 16,320. So since the SP is greater than CP, so it is leading to profit. So we will find out the profit. So profit will be equals to now SP minus CP. So SP we got, this is 16,320 minus 16,000. So this will be equals to rupees 320. Now we will find out the profit percentage. So profit percentage will be equals to now profit divided by CP into 100. So this will be equals to now 320 divided by 1600 into 100. Double zero cancel, this 0, 16 2 ja. So this is now 2%. This is gain or profit. 2% gain or profit एक ही बात है. So now coming to the question number 6. During a sale, a shopkeeper offered a discount of 10% of the market price of all the items. What would be the customer has to pay for a pair of jeans marked at rupees 1450 and 2 shirts marked rupees 850? So discount is given to us. Discount is equals to 10%. So the cost of a pair of jeans plus 2 shirts. So this will be equals to rupees 1450 plus 2 into 850. एक शर्ट का कॉस्ट कितना दिया हुआ आपको 850. सो 2 शर्ट का कितना हो जाएगा 2 into 850. सो दिस विल बी इक्वल्स टू नाउ 1450 प्लस 2 से मल्टीप्लाई कर लेंगे. दिस विल बी 0 0 देन 1700. नाउ विल एड अप दिस. सो दिस विल बी नाउ 501 and this will be 3. So 3150 now. Now 10% the discount is offered. So the selling price will be equals to now we'll find out the discount. So this will be now 10%, or we can find out the discount given. So the discount given will be equals to 10% of total amount 3150. So this will be now 10 by 100 into 3150. 0 0 0 0 cancelled. So this is 315 rupees. Now the selling price will be equals to, selling price is equals to the market price minus, we can write it complete. So this is the market price minus discount. So market price is given, this is 3150 minus the discount is 315. So we subtract this, so it will be now, so this will be 2 rupees 2835. So this amount customer has to pay. So now coming to the question number 7th. A milkman sold 2 of his buffaloes for rupees 20,000 each. On one he made a gain of 5%, on another a loss of 10%. Find the overall gain or loss percentage. So the selling price of one buffalo. So this is given to us, the selling price of one buffalo is equals to rupees 20,000. So let the CP of buffalo is equals to rupees 100. So for the first case, he made a gain of 5%. So gain is equals to now 5%. So selling, now we can find out the cost price. So cost price will be equals to now, or here we have taken this cost price, this selling price. So the selling price will be equals to now 100 plus 5. So this will be rupees 105. So when rupees 105 is selling price, then cost price will be equals to rupees 100. It is given 100. So when the selling price is 1 rupee, then cost price will be 100 divided by 105. So when this is now 20,000, so it will be now 100 into 20,000 divided by 105. So this is 5 2 1 and 2 0. Now we can solve it. So this will be now 40,000 divided by 21. Now we can solve this. So this will be equals to now so this will be 19047.62 rupees. So for we got the CP of first. Similarly for other it is given a loss is equals to the 10%. So for this SP will be equals to 100 minus 10. So this will be rupees 90. So when this SP is rupees 90, then CP is equals to rupees 100. So when SP is 1 rupees, then CP will be 100 by 90. So when it is now 20,000, so it will be 100 into 20,000 divided by 90. 0 0 cancelled. So this will be now 22,222.22 rupees. Now we will find out this total CP. Total CP will be 2 into 20,000. Sorry, total SP because SP of one buffalo is given at 20,000. So 2 buffaloes it will be 2 into 20,000. So it will be rupees 40,000. And this total CP will be now 19047.62 plus 22,222.22. So on adding we will get this 41,269.48 rupees. So now see that CP is more than SP. Since the CP is greater than SP, so it is leading to loss. So we will find out the loss. Loss will be equals to now CP minus SP. So this is 41,269.48 minus the SP is 40,000. So on subtraction, this will be now 1269.48 rupees. Now we will find out this loss. So the total loss is equals to rupees 1269.48 rupees. So now coming to the question number 8. The price of a TV is rupees 13,000. The sale tax charges charged on it at a rate of 12%. Find the amount that Vinod will have to pay if he buys it. So the market price of TV, this is equals to rupees 13,000. So we'll find out this tax. So sale tax will be equals to 12% of rupees 13,000. So this will be now 12 by 100 into 13,000. 0 0 0 0 cancelled. So it will be now rupees, this is 0, 1560. So therefore the price Vinod has to pay, this will be equals to now 13,000 plus this tax amount, this is 1560. So on adding you will got this will be now 14,560 rupees. So this amount has to be paid. So now coming to the question number 9th. Arun bought a pair of the stacks at a sale where the discount was given as 20%. The amount he pays is 1600. Find the market price. So let the market price is rupees 100. So selling price will be equals to now market price minus discount. So selling price is equals to now 100 minus discount is 20. So this is now rupees 80. Discount offered is 20%. So when selling price is rupees 80, then market price will be rupees 100. So when SP is 1, then market price will be 100 divided by 80. So when the SP is rupees, now it is given as 1600. So it will be now 100 into 1600 divided by 80. 0 0 cancelled. So 80 into 20. So this is now rupees 2000. So market price of, it is given the market price of a pair of stacks is equals to rupees 2000. So now coming to the question number 10th. I purchased a hair dryer for rupees 5400 including the 8% VAT. Find the price before the VAT was added. So let the price before VAT, so price before VAT is equals to rupees 100. So price after VAT, this will be equals to 100 plus 10 equals to rupees 110. Sorry, it is 8%. So it will be now 8. So this is now rupees 108. So when 108, so when SP is rupees 108, then market price is equals to rupees 100. So when the SP is 1, then market price will be 100 divided by 108. So when the SP is, now SP is given 5400. So it will be now 100 into 5400 divided by 108. Now we can solve this. So this will be now 4 2 ja, 4 7 ja, and 4 say 25. Then it is 2 times on multiplying. So this will be now rupees 5000. So the price before VAT is equals to rupees 5000. So with this we have completed our exercise 8.2. Thank you. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, आई होप अभी तक हमने जो भी पढ़ा आपको समझ में आया होगा. इन केस अगर आपको कोई भी डाउट है आप हमें कांटेक्ट कर सकते हैं. आप हमारे एपिसोड्स को लाइक कीजिए, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और अपने फ्रेंड्स को भी रेफ़र कीजिए ताकि हम आपके लिए और भी अच्छे अच्छे सोल्यूशंस ला सकते हैं. ओके, टेक केयर, गुड बाय एंड गॉड ब्लेस यू.